Hello everyone, this is Secret Empress Tarot. Today I am going to do a reading for Taurus for the month of January 2021. This will be reading for Sun, Moon and Rising sign. In case if this video resonates, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. In case if it doesn't resonate, please check your other sign. And let's start your reading, Taurus. So before I start your past, present and future reading, let me check your current energy. So let's start. Two of Wands, Four of Coin. I see most of them just holding back your energy and just waiting for a situation. I don't see you taking any kind of action, but just observing a situation from far and holding back. Three of Coin. This may be a friend or a partnership with an individual here. Eight of Cups, Four of Swords and the Knight of Swords. Okay, right now there may be a separation between you and your person you're dealing with, or it can be a partner from work. It can be any situation here, but I see that you in the present situation have distance from this person. It can be like fallout or a breakup or anything, but emotionally I see you walked away from this situation in a present, and I see you healing yourself. There may be a fallout between you both because of some kind of a communication or an argument. For some people it can be that reason. Page of Swords and the Two of Coin. Okay, so I see you that you are playing a bit of safe game here. That's what I see, like you are not wanting to take any kind of a action right now because you feel like there is something you need to like get to know here. There may be inclarity in the situation, so you don't want to like take any kind of action, or you don't want to speak anything here. Present situation, you're just taking time out for yourself here, and that too I see personally most of them just observing a situation, not giving much but trying to get some kind of a clarity. That's what I see before taking any kind of a action towards an individual. You're just observing and healing yourself. You're stalking them, I see, to get some kind of a clarity so that you take a correct action or a decision here. That's what I see. You may be dealing with the air sign, strong air sign here. Okay, let me check your past, present and future reading for the month of January 2021. Okay, let's start. For the past, you got the Seven of Wands, Knight of Coin and the Six of Coin. For the present situation, you got the Strength, Magician, Three of Swords. For the future energy, you got the Justice, Five of Coin and the Ace of Wands. Okay, for the overall energy you got the 8 of Wands. So for the January, remaining days of January, overall energy you got the 8 of Wands energy here. So I personally see the Taurus, like most of them, you people want to, I say that you people want to communicate or take action towards something. It can be towards your life or speaking with a person here. After clarification, I'm gonna tell you. So for the past energy, you got the 7 of coin, Knight of coin and the 6 of coin. So this speaks about you may have waited in the past to move forward or to like you wanted a forward movement, but you may have waited for some kind of clarity or some kind of communication here, maybe for some people, but you wanted a clarity here so that you make right thing. Whatever decision you make, it should be right, you felt. So you took a decision of waiting and observing her situation here, and I don't see you taking action like in the past, just observing around you. That's what I see. For the present situation, you got the Strength, Magician, 3 of Swords. So this speaks that in the present situation you have so many things within yourself, but you're not expressing much. It can be a communication, or it can be any kind of a thing here. Maybe there is too much inside your head or within yourself, you're not expressing much towards the person. Not when you won't express much, you won't get any kind of a clarity. That is one reason. And you're manifesting the hurt within yourself. So thinking yourself, don't know whether it's truth or wrong, and just getting hurt. That's what I see. In the future energy, you got the Justice, 5 of coin and the Ace of wands. So this speaks that I see that you wanting to make things right. I see you healing yourself in the remaining days of January, and there's a forward movement I see here. So let me clarify. Okay. Let me clarify 8 of wands. Temperance. Ace of swords. King of swords. So this speaks that finally I see you taking action. I see that you are going to take an initiative of communicating with an individual here, so that you can balance your life or a situation here. So you wanting a balance between you and your person, or it can be your life or something here, so that you are taking initiative to communicate here. Moreover, communicate, like it can be like in this energy I see personally that there may be a person you're dealing with who is very blocking, or who may be very much sharp here. They may be very honest here. So they may be like very guarded for sure. So you are taking in chance to communicate with them, I see. Or this can be your energy itself, like where you are going to communicate with the logical or practical thing, not with emotions. That's what I see. So let me clarify the 7 of coin, the World, the Lovers, Wheel of Fortune. So this tells that in the past something may have ended, a twin flame connection or something here. I see that. But I see that you personally, as soon as something ended here, again, as soon as something ended, there may be a situation where you personally, for some people it can be like a decision you had to make here. That's what I see. There can be like 2% or something here, or for the rest it can also be a situation where something has ended, a twin flame connection, and you are just wanting a second chance, or you wanting to begin with them again. So that's what I see. After ending, you may have wanted a connection to restart again. So you may have waited here. For the Knight of coin, You got the judgment, 10 of cups, Eight of Swords. So this person, whomever you're dealing with, they bring you a lot of emotional fulfillment. You see them as the happiness. You may be stuck with them in the past. I see that. You may have too much of thoughts here, but you are totally like you're stuck with the past. This person, whomever you're dealing with, because they bring you happiness. So you had to make a decision here to move forward or something here. It was like too much you may have felt in the past, so you had to make a decision for the forward movement here. That's what I see. There's a like last judgment call here. You had to make a decision regarding moving forward. Six of Cups, Hangman, Three of Coins. So here we saw that you are stuck with them. You had to make a decision to move forward towards them for the second chance or something here. But I personally see that even though you had an idea or divine wanted you to make a decision about forward movement, you may have held back here because you were in a process of getting a clarity or a spiritual growth here. This is like the Hangman position talks about a lot of spiritual awakening here. So this speaks that you may be like healing yourself and working on yourself here, and just thinking yourself like whether you really want a partnership with them. For the present situation, strength. You got the Three of Wands, King of Wands, and the Moon. You know that you want a forward movement here. You know that there's a situation where you can move forward by independent, like you can move forward with an independent thing, or you can move forward with this individual. There's an option here, but I see that you literally turning back from the forward movement. Instead of that, you are just fearing of something here. I see a lot of emotional deception going on here within yourself, like you are like fearing of something or you're scared of something here, but you're keeping it within yourself, due to which there's no forward movement in a present situation. Clarify the Magician, Tower, Queen of Coin, Two of Coin. After some kind of a tower or sudden shake-up or unexpected thing happen here, I personally see that you have planned to work on any kind of a confusion here, any kind of a juggling here. So I see that you're wanting a balance within yourself mainly, and with this connection you're dealing with. So you're just working on the things here to make some balance here. That's what I see. For the Three of Swords, you got the Eight of Cups, Nine of Coin, and the 10 of Coin. I see in the present situation you have emotionally walked away from this hurt, from this tower movement or separation here. I see you in a present situation, you choosing to work on yourself and to get strong here, to get stability. I see you in the present situation working on yourself here. For the future justice, you got Nine of Cups, Two of Swords, and the Page of Wands. Okay, so this speaks that I see you like emotionally you fulfilled by yourself. You know your worth. I see in the future situation here. Plus I see you that you are trying to walk away from any kind of thoughts or any kind of a confusion or any kind of overthinking here. So you're no more too much on your head. You're finally trying to walk away from this as you've healed yourself. I see. For the 5 of coin, you got the Page of Cup, sorry, Knight of Cups, 5 of coin, and the Knight of Swords, Knight of Wands. So this speaks that this speaks that as soon as you got your emotion back, your emotion strength back, as soon as you know your worth, your emotions, everything, I see you that you're overcoming this past hurt or past thing. You're overcoming any kind of past things which did not work, or there may be a regret. For the Ace of Wands, got the Page of Swords, sorry, King of Swords, Knight of Swords, and the King of Cups. Okay, like there may be a certain situation where you have to deal with emotions and logical side here. You may be stressed here whether to be a logical or a emotional here, because there's a King of Swords and the King of Cups. Between that you have 9 of Swords. So you're stressed whether to deal with King of Swords or King of Cups, and finally you are choosing to work on your emotions than you're thinking on your logical side. So finally you're coming out of logical side, I see personally here, and just giving your emotions a second chance here. So that's what I see. So because of this logical side, you are stressed here, that's what I am telling, and I see you that you are choosing your emotional side and there's a new beginning here. So that's what I see. Let me take cards from the universe. Death, Empress, sorry, the Emperor, 4 of Cups. So this speaks that there's a big transformation within yourself, and I see that when you're going to the process of changes within yourself, I see you having a control within your emotions, everything, and control within your life, and just I don't see you that you're taking any kind of other responsibility or other things here, because you're healing yourself. There's a lot of changes happening here. So I see you that personally you are choosing to work on yourself in the remaining days of January and getting clarity to choose emotional side and give a second chance here. That's what I see. Okay. So let me see that how your person feel towards you. Sun, the Lovers, Eight of Coins. So Taurus, your person, they literally have a lot of emotion towards you. They feel a twin flame connection, how you felt here. They see it as an happiness here. They see it as an happiness. But in a present situation, I see them, they are turning back from working on this emotional connection here. They don't want to work on this connection. Instead, they're turning back from this happiness and this, and they're working on themselves, I feel here personally. And I don't see that they like they forgot this connection and they are just working on themselves. They literally think about this connection. So there's a card, the twin flame card is here. They see you as unhappiness, but the thing is that they are just choosing to work on themselves, like how you are doing right now. So that's what I see. Let's see what is a major emotion you're gonna face for the month of January 2021. You got block, knowing more. So I see that it can be like a person who had blocked you, or you have blocked them. It can be anything. Whoever blocked, okay, it can be you or them. I see in your perspective, I see that you may have blocked them. In your view, you may have blocked them, because this is your reading. So I feel that you have blocked them so that you know more about them. I see that you have blocked them. You are showing them that you are not interested, but you are researching about them. You are knowing more about them. That's what I feel. Let me take card from the oracle deck. Light activation. So this tells that your internal guidance is coming through loud and clear. So whatever inner, like that is called intuition, whatever it's telling, finally divine is letting you know to follow that. Okay, in case if you won't hear that, also divine will be letting you know again and again by your intuition, and it's time to listen to your intuition and move forward. That's what it tells. So that's what I see, Taurus. I hope it resonated. Thank you.